before we get into today's video, I wanted to take a quick minute, give a little shout out to my little buddy Nick from across the pond. Nick, thank you for your support. I appreciate you watching. Make sure you help out your dad and turn a wrench or two. Morning YouTubians, Gary here with VW Jawbreaker. Welcome back. So one of the other things that we did with Rob's 76 Westie with a 2-liter, which I still love this bus, is we went ahead.
Ow, and hit my head.
We went ahead and took off the dual 34 ICTs that he wanted on, and went ahead and put on some dual Webers. These are the 40 IDFs. So what I need to do is, we got everything pretty much tuned in. Everything's running pretty good. But what I need to do is go ahead and do a cold start on it. See how it does, cold start. Again, IDFs do not have chokes. So we're gonna fire it up, and I still need to tweak the accelerator pumps a little bit. We're gonna go for a ride around the block and see how this baby rides. Stick around. Pretty good. Went ahead and set the linkage and did lean vest idle. Got them balanced out. Set the accelerator pumps. You do that by setting it pretty much all the way out, giving a little gas, rev it up a little bit, slowly adjust the nut in. You want as little squirt as possible. Good. She's good. I've got videos up. I'll try to link it below on adjusting your linkage and how to sync your dual carbs, so you can always revisit that video if need be. A little difficult to shoot this on camera versus, you know, you got a tight space up here and I can't have the back open and be this close, so let's hop in and go for a ride and see how she does. What do you think? Let's see how good we have it on a restart. I'd say that's pretty good. bus. It's not fast like Jawbreaker.
Right.
But it rides out good, runs nice, accelerates great. I mean, how much more do you want for a brick going down the road? It's essentially just a large loaf of bread with some weight to it.
German
loaf of bread. I like that. I like that.
Or it could be Mexican or Brazilian.
No, this one's German, I'm pretty sure. Maneuver a little bit better. Alright, let's try a second gear roll like we do in Jawbreaker.
Pretty good.
Yeah, but it's also got a 5 plus transmission and a 2-liter, so. Heck yeah, man, good work. Well guys, that's pretty much it. I texted Rob, told him to go ahead and pick up his baby, Miss Lulu. I'm gonna miss having this thing in the driveway. I've grown quite fond of this bus over the last week. We've done quite a bit of work, made sure she's in tip-top shape to make the trip he's making in a couple weeks. Heading about 3 hours north roughly. So I wanted to make sure that him and his wife are gonna make it there in Miss Lulu. So thanks guys, I appreciate each and every one of you being here, and we'll talk to you guys soon. Till the next time, be good.